What if something massive, something impossible, is unfolding right now on Jupiter? What if the largest planet in our solar system is hiding a change so powerful it could rewrite everything we know?
For centuries, Jupiter has been a silent guardian, protecting our solar system from chaos.
But now, something is changing.
Storms are behaving differently, growing faster, becoming unpredictable.
And the most chilling question of all, is this just the beginning?
How can a planet so massive, so powerful, begin changing without warning?
Why are instruments detecting strange temperature anomalies deep within its atmosphere?
What explains the sudden bursts of energy rippling across its cloud bands?
Some believe this is just part of a natural cycle, a slow evolution over time.
But others aren't so sure. The speed of these changes doesn't make sense.
What if Jupiter is entering a phase we've never seen before? Jupiter has always been a planet of extremes, a giant dominating everything around it.
Its gravity is so powerful, it shapes the paths of asteroids across the solar system. But beyond its size, its atmosphere is where the real mystery begins.
A chaotic ocean of gas, filled with storms, lightning, and violent winds.
For decades, scientists believed they understood how this system worked.
But now, those patterns are breaking. For centuries, one storm has defined Jupiter more than anything else. A storm so massive it could swallow Earth whole. For over 300 years, it has raged without stopping. But now, something is happening. Pieces of the storm are breaking away.
A storm that once seemed eternal is now changing.
Beyond the Great Red Spot, hundreds of smaller storms cover Jupiter's surface. But now, these storms are behaving differently.
They are forming faster, moving unpredictably across the planet.
Some are even merging, forming massive systems that shouldn't exist.
Winds reaching unimaginable speeds, now fluctuating beyond prediction.
It's as if Jupiter is entering a phase of instability.
Jupiter doesn't just receive energy, it produces more than it gets from the sun. But now, that energy output may be changing.
Some regions are heating up, far more than expected.
While others are cooling in ways we don't understand. Could this imbalance be coming from deep within the planet? If Jupiter's core is changing, the entire planet could be affected.
Jupiter's magnetic field is one of the most powerful forces in the solar system.
It stretches millions of kilometers,
creating a shield unlike anything else.
But now, this field is behaving in ways we didn't expect.
A planet's magnetic field is deeply connected to what's happening inside.
If the magnetic field is changing, something deep inside Jupiter is changing too.
To understand what's happening, we sent a spacecraft closer than ever before.
NASA's Juno mission began sending back data, unlike anything we expected.
It detected something strange. Tiny variations in Jupiter's gravity.
These variations suggest Jupiter's interior isn't as uniform as we thought.
Instead, it may be a constantly shifting, evolving system.
A giant engine, constantly changing beneath the surface.
At Jupiter's poles, something extraordinary is happening.
The most powerful auroras in the solar system are growing stronger. But recently, they've begun flickering in unpredictable ways.
Scientists believe this is linked to changes in Jupiter's magnetic field.
But no one fully understands where this energy is coming from.
Jupiter is not alone. It has a system of violent, active moons.
Io, the most volcanic world in the solar system, is constantly erupting. Its volcanic activity is driven by Jupiter's immense gravity.
Europa hides something even more mysterious beneath its surface.
A hidden ocean, possibly larger than all of Earth's oceans combined.
The relationship between Jupiter and its moons may be more.
Not all scientists agree on what is happening inside Jupiter.
Some believe the storms are driven by internal heat. Others disagree.
Even NASA's data shows unexpected fluctuations.
The deeper we look, the less stable the answers become.
One possibility remains. We are missing a key piece of the puzzle.
And until we find it, Jupiter will remain one of the...
Something is changing on a scale we have never observed before. It's as if an invisible mechanism is controlling them. Storm systems are no longer independent. They are synchronizing. And then, a sudden energy spike was detected. But what caused it remains completely unknown. The disturbances are no longer isolated to Jupiter alone.
Similar fluctuations are being detected in nearby space regions.
As if something is influencing multiple bodies at once.
But no physical connection has been found.
Which makes the phenomenon even more difficult to explain.
And yet, the activity is still increasing. It appears to be moving toward the Jovian system.
Jupiter's system is beginning to react before contact is even made. This suggests the source may not be internal at all. If confirmed, this would change everything we know about planetary behavior. And yet, the anomaly continues to approach. Jupiter's entire system is now reacting as one connected structure.
Magnetic fields are collapsing and reforming in real time.
The incoming anomaly is now within the outer system boundary.
Every open storm is reacting at once.
And then a direct energy response was recorded.
What happens next is completely unknown.
The system is no longer responding to known physical models.
Something is actively interfering with the system.
And it appears to be observing the system, not just affecting it.
This level of coordination suggests intentional structure.
We may be witnessing the first stage of a contact event.
And whatever is at the center is now responding.
The central anomaly is no longer stationary.
It appears to be approaching Jupiter directly.
Jupiter's atmosphere is beginning to destabilize ahead of impact.
Whatever is arriving is now within Jupiter's atmosphere.
And then, all signals stopped. We don't know what just happened inside Jupiter.